Sparky the squirrel looked at the blocked forest path and realized no animal could pass through. With courage in his heart, he began clearing the thick vines and fallen branches one small step at a time. The journey was difficult, but Sparky refused to give up even when the obstacles seemed too big. Soon, the other animals saw the path he was opening and began to follow behind him with hope. Before long, the forest trail was clear, and animals moved freely along the road Sparky created. And from that day on, the little squirrel who dared to start became the one who paved the way for everyone.
Did you know the video you just watched wasn't created manually? I used Grok Automation to create multiple videos in bulk, saving hours of manual work. In this tutorial, I will show content creators how to automate video creation and scale their content faster with AI. Let's dive in. Okay, to automate your content creation using Grok AI, the first thing you're going to do is to go to grok.com. We have grok.com or grok.com.imagine. Let me take you straight to grok.com. Yes, you must have registered with grok.com, or if you're already using Grok AI, then you log in into your interface. And this is the interface. This is Grok AI interface. If you want to create manually, then you go to the left hand side, you click on Imagine. Then you select video creation or you image creation, or you also select aspect ratio. But we are not creating content using manual form. So this tutorial stands for creating content using automation method. You create content in bulk instead of creating it one by one. And to do that, the next thing we are going to do is to search for Grok Automation extension on the Google Web Store, Google Chrome. Let's see Google Chrome Store. Yeah, this is Google Chrome Store. You click on Google Chrome Web Store. Okay. Chrome Web Store. Yeah, it brings out this interface. Then you go there and click on Grok and search for Grok Automation. This is it. You can see Grok Automation extension, Auto Grok on grok.com. You click on it. After clicking on it, you can see Grok Automation, Auto Grok on grok.com. By the right hand side, I'd already installed it. So let me remove it. Now. I've removed it. So when you search for Grok Automation, what it shows you is add to Grok, add to Chrome. Then you click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. You can see it is downloaded here. One download in progress. Okay, it is downloaded. You have your extension. The next thing you're going to do, you're already on Grok. Let's go to grok.com. We have Grok. Okay, it is now for you to create the content. And before you can do that, by the right hand side, you can see here, extension here. By the upper right hand side, you click on extension. Then you search for Grok Automation. This is Grok Automation. You click on Grok Automation. Then it brings out a setting. By the right hand side, you can see control, you can see setting. And based on your objective, there you have text to video, which we are about to do now. We have text to image if you want to create image in bulk. And we have frame to video, we have image to image here. So what we want to do is to create video content in bulk. Now we have concurrent prompt, we have one prompt. We have prompt delay, let's say 30 seconds. Then we have prompt proper, the prompt you want to use to generate content. For example, we are generating video content. I have a prompt already, so which I generated using ChatGPT. I said create 6 video clip prompts, 6 seconds for each clip, for a 3D pixel style animated story about a squirrel who paved the way for other animals. The story should follow one main character who remains virtually consistent across all scenes, with the same features, hairstyle, clothing, and overall appearance. Uh, each clip should describe the setting, character actions, emotions, and cinematic camera details to create a coherent short story. I'm actually creating the story about a squirrel, or the clothing may not be necessary. Okay. However, this is the result of the prompt. The first clip, the problem in the forest. This I have the second clip. I have the third clip, I have the fourth clip, I have the fifth and the sixth clip. Now I want to create a video from each prompt in bulk. So I'll copy all the video text to video prompt, copy it. You can see because I have left the Grok Automation. I will say I have to click on navigate to Grok. I've left Grok AI. I have to click on navigate to Grok. Then what I'm going to do is to paste it here. After pasting it, you come down, you see it automatically arranges here the duration per prompt. 6 seconds for each prompt. 6 seconds for each prompt. And it's supposed to be 6, but this is 12. What I'm going to do is to remove the titles here. You know, if we include it as a separate paragraph, it's going to create a separate clip. You have to remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay, you have to remove this. Look at the ones you need to remove, and okay, you have to remove this. As for watching, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Also share this video after you watch. Okay, you can see, so that when we come down, you see there are already 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 based on each prompt for each clip. And the next thing we are going to do, is to go to the setting. You can see the setting that what we want to do by default is text to video. The next model by default aspect ratio is 16:9. You can choose if you are posting for social media platform. You can choose 19:16 or square 1:1. I'm choosing 16:9. So the next one is output video per prompt. How many video do you need by prompt? Is it 2 video? I need 1 video. So the next thing is output image per prompt. I'm not doing image. Default video frame. No, I'm not in that. So we have auto download quality. The pixel that you need is a 480 pixel. I'm using 720 pixel. Yeah, 720 pixel for clarity. So the language you want to use. Okay, now I have it now. I want to save the setting, save it. Then I'll go back. I go back to control. This is control. Then I come down here. Then I click on run. Immediately I click on run, it will automatically start generating all the 6 video for the 6 prompt. So let me click run. This is run. I have clicked run. Immediately you click run, you can look at this place. A little bit above it, you see 0 out of 6 prompt. You can see it now as it is generating each video for each prompt. These numbers will be counting. You can see it says running, and if you come closer, you see stop. If you want to stop, you can decide to stop too. Okay, so let us wait as it's creating. It's also upscaling to make the video. Good one. Okay, we have created the first video, and it will automatically download in your download interface. You can see here 1 out of 6 prompts. The video has been created for 1 prompt out of 6 prompts. You can see it here. As it is creating a video, it keeps on counting, and it automatically download all the video as it is creating it to save time. Let's check the download section. You will discover that you can see now it's already created a separate folder for it automatically. You click on it, you see all the videos here. This is all the videos created. all the videos created with number. It numbered all the videos created from the first video to the sixth video. Let's open it now. Let's see what we have here. Let's open each video and see what we have there. You can see. Okay, let's see how we open all other videos, and you can see a very clear video, very clear content using Grok Automation. You can create your images, you can create your videos using automation settings without creating each video manually to save your content creation time and for quality content creation. And also you can decide, you use editing tools to bring these videos together for a wonderful storyline. You can decide to use CapCut. I'm using Filmora. Let's say, for example, I import media files. You can import all your media files. Look at it. You can import all your media files. You can see all the videos. You bring it to a video editing platform. You see it here. Okay. You select, you copy, then you bring them here. Yeah, as you can see now. So thank you very much. This is how to create content. You can also decide to export it for final production. You must have a little bit of skills in content creation, in video editing. You can go and learn that, and you can also use your phone to edit the video using CapCut. So thank you. God bless you. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I'll also share